Hi, I'm Mike Ciampo. Welcome to this segment of Training Minutes. Today we're going to discuss child bars. Some people call them child gates. They're not regular window bars or scissor gates. These prevent children from falling out of windows. Normally you're going to see these more in an urban setting. The way they operate is this type of motion. I'll pull it out in 1 second. However, let's talk about how they're attached. Normally you'll have 3 to 4 screws or lags into the window frame. Sometimes they may be self-tapping screws because it's going all the way through the aluminum and into the frame itself. You can see how they adjust to different size windows, right? And the other thing is when we're going to attack these, we'll try to maybe hit it with a halogen tool one side to pull the other side away from the window, and we can try walking it out. Sometimes that works. However, in some cases, these may be real deep lagged into the window and it won't work. So we have to come up with other theories on attacking these. We're going to show you some tips on a way to attack these today. In our little prop mock-up here, you can see that we have the child guard installed. All we notice is maybe some drywall screws have it into the window holding it. So this demonstration, we're going to have the firefighter take the halogen tool and try to knock one side over, pulling the one side out of the window frame. As you notice, he just knocked one side out. Now we have the ability just to walk it around and have access into the apartment. Sometimes you're going to find child bars on upper floors, and you might have to work off a portable ladder. It might be a little difficult to bang them with a halogen tool, but we also have some other tools in our cache that we could use. One is a cordless sawzall. It's real easy to operate with, and we're going to demonstrate it now. Remember though, anytime we're on a portable ladder, perform some type of leg lock to keep yourself locked in as your upper body's working on the window gate. He'll come in and he's going to attack it right almost at the window frame itself. He'll start slow. And again, he has two options right here. He can try bending it out, or he can just cut the other side. You'll notice you have a couple little tabs here, but we can get a victim out, or we can vent, enter, and search through the window itself. Also, if you have a little hydraulic, they call them a lobster cutter or a rebar cutter, a little hydraulic power tool, you also can snip them with those. We also can use another tool to combat these child gates real easily, and that's the portable bolt cutter. A lot of companies that have tower ladders have an extra tool compartment up top in the bucket, and this is one of those tools you might consider putting in your cache. The firefighter would do is, he's just going to open up the bolt cutters and cut them as close as possible to the window frame, and he can snap them. Again, he can either cut this side or attempt to bow it out of the way. For demonstration purposes, we're just going to show you how he cuts them. Again, we easily defeated the child gate. I'm Mike Ciampo. Thanks for watching this segment of Training Minutes. And I'd like to thank our sponsor, American Military University.